The reason for this unique little film is part of cinema history. By 1898, audiences were tired of the first movies, 1 minute long, actuality only, like rowing a boat, city traffic, knocking down a wall. The phantom rides offered you a journey without moving an inch. A coach was set up in a darkened hall, no wheels sitting on springs. Around the windows were cine screens with projectors on the outside casting movement to passengers. Beneath the coach, large men rocked the springs, all to the accompaniment of chuff-chuff noises. So, for a tanner, one could travel down to the Queen of the West or over the Yorkshire moors. There were variations of the coach set up to match pictures taken from horse buses or the stagecoach. We saw only the left-hand bore of the tunnels earlier, for when the line was doubled, the extra shaft was excavated amid some excitement. Minutes before the passing of a train, a premature blast brought tons of spoil down onto the line, and disaster was averted, but not, I imagine, a long walk down to the station. And so, the station comes into sight, with the signalman playing the drama out to the end. Will he? Won't he? Down goes the arm, and that long bleak platform without the elegant canopy comes into view. There's a glimpse of the ample sidings for rakes of passenger stock to make up trains to Waterloo via Exeter or Taunton and Bristol, or that fast Westbury route to Paddington direct. And so into Ilfracombe. As the trains approached the old station, it appeared that the site was so high above the town that the drivers feared they would drop off the end of the world. Not only was the approach steep, but a number of severe curves had to be navigated on this 1 in 36 gradient. The original station was built to accommodate only short-length trains of the era, but as traffic grew, particularly with the holiday trade, rearrangements had to be made to accommodate the great London expresses, and the station was redesigned and rebuilt by the Southern Railway in 1928-29.